So, I got an Amazon box today, and I don't know what's in it. And I'm hoping that it's something that I've been waiting for days and days and days. And if you know what it is, don't say anything because I want to know. So here's my screwdriver. I order so many things on Amazon that I honestly don't know what it is. I forget what I order sometimes. So I think this might be, but it didn't come from Amazon. I ordered it directly from the website. We'll see. This unboxing of... Ah! Woo! Yes! It's here! I've been waiting for days and days for this. Yes, the YouTube formula. So, if you haven't gotten it, I hope you're excited as I am. I'm super excited. Yes! Finally, it's here. Yes! Thank you, sir. The man, the myth, the you. Even to show my appreciation, I got it right there on the screen for you. And those of you that are watching, if you haven't got it yet, go get it. I haven't read it yet, but I'm going to binge read over the next 24 to 48 hours, baby. You better believe it. So go get it. Again, thanks, Derral.